A warm welcome to you all. In this video, we learn about page structure element. In page structure elements, these are group of elements used in HTML that gives our document more better structure. There are the body, main, article and section, A-side, navigation, and header and footer. We have to see one by one. In body tag, the body element contains all the content of the body. It typically encompasses everything except the media elements and its sub-elements. The main tag in main element used to designate the unique content of each page. For example, doc type HTML is a HTML version 5. HTML language is English. The head tag having the meta tag, characteristic UTF-82. Under the title tag, chili recipe is there. In head tag should be closed. Then body tag should be open. Under the body tag, H1 tag should be there. Recipe book. H1 tag should be closed. And NAV navigation tag should be there. Under that unordered list, under the list item tag should be there. In anchor tag, href recipes.html. In recipe, you click the recipes, it move on to the recipes.html. Under that, li tag, list item, ahref tips.html. We click on the tips, we move on to the tips.html. Then li tag, the list item, then anchor tag should be there in href about.html. We click on the about tag, we move on to about.html. Close the unordered list and navigation tag. The main tag, in that main tag, H2 is that recipe for chili and H2 tag should be closed. And paragraph tag, instruction should be there, then paragraph tag should be closed and main tag should be closed. In footer, copyright command me, the footer tag should be closed. Finally, body tag should be closed, then HTML tag should be closed. See the output here. Then title is chili recipe. The title is there. Then body tag recipe book is there. Then under that recipe tips about. We click on the recipe, it move on to the recipes.html. We click on the tips, we move on the tips.html. We click on the about, we click on the about, move on the about.html page. In main tag, we have recipe for chili. The recipe for chili is there. Recipe for chili. Under that paragraph instructions and footer copyright me is available. Then article and section. It is used to represent the thematic part of the document. See here, document HTML language, English, head tag is there, meta tag should be there. Under the title tag, chili recipe, the head tag should be closed, the body tag should be closed, the article tag should be open, then H1, PB and J sandwiches, H1 should be closed, the paragraph tag, here shows the make the snack stuff. Paragraph should be closed, then article should be closed. Then section H2 ingredients, the unordered list, the list item is peanut butter and list item is jelly, list item is bread and close the unordered list, close the section also. The another section can be opened in H1 instructions, H2 should be closed, order list, the order list item get 2 slices of bread. In another list item, spread peanut butter on the one side of the both slice. And another list, spread jelly over the peanut butter on the one side of bread. Then list item can be closed. Another list In another list item, press bread slice together. An order list can be closed. Then section should be closed, body tag should be closed, then HTML tag should be closed. See the output. PB&J sandwich is there. Under the paragraph here, how to make the snacks sample. Here, under the paragraph, we given the output like this. Ingredients: panettone butter, jelly, breads. Here, the given the unordered list. In the ordered list, we have to get the output like 1, 2, 3, like this. In the instruction, we have to give the list item 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Then A-side tag. The A-side tag gives the information about the main content. For example, paragraph tag. I don't want to like the Ghaziabad. I wish I could buy the flat in New Delhi. In A-side New Delhi, New Delhi is a capital of India. These are the output should be came like I don't want to live the Ghaziabad. I wish I could buy a flat in New Delhi. Then H3, we give the New Delhi and paragraph that New Delhi is the capital of India. The navigate tag. What the use of navigate tag? The navigate tag is to indicate area of the page used to for primary navigation. For HTML, tag should be, for example, HTML tag should be open, head tag should be open. Under the title, the navigate tag, the body tag, under that H1 tag, the navigation tag should be there. Navi tag should be open, unordered list. In the list title, we have to take up Mac.html, title is Mac computer, and Mac that anchor tag should be closed. Another list item, AHF, iPad.html, learn about the iPads. And another anchor tag, HF, iPad, iPhone.html, title, learn about the iPhone. Now another anchor tag should be the support.html, title, get support. Underline unordered list can be closed. Then navigate tag should be closed. Body tag should be closed. Then HTML should be closed. We click on the Mac, it goes into Mac.html. We click on the iPad, iPad.html. We click on the iPhone, we move on to the iPhone.html. We click on the support, we move on the support.html. Header and footer. The header is used to indicate the website branding and main navigation element. The footer should be used to mark up the content at the end of the page. For example, HTML tag is the head tag is the title navigate tag, body tag should be there, header tag should be there, under the paragraph tag, the image tag, SRC, the part of the image should be there. Then we have to alternate attribute should be there. Then width and height of the image should be there. The paragraph tag should be closed. The NAV navigate tag should be there. Then unordered list. Under that receipt.html. Then receipts. We click on the receipts. We move on to the receipt.html. We click on the tips. We move on to the tips.html. We click on the about.html. The unordered list can be closed. The navigate tag should be closed. Header should be closed. The main tag should be there. Under that article tag should be there. H1 silly receipt. The paragraph is silly. The paragraph tag should be closed. Article tag should be the main tag should be closed. Under that footer tag is there. Under that small all receipt tag me. The small tag is there. Break is there. Then anchor tag is the sitemap.html. We click on the sitemap, we move on to the sitemap.html. We click on the legal, we move on to the legal.html with the help of anchor tag. Then footer tag should be closed, body tag should be closed, HTML should be closed. The output is like this. We click on the recipes, we move on to the recipe.html. We click on the tips, we move on the tips.html. Click on the about, we move on to the about.html. Recipes. Article is the paragraph is there. All receipts at me is there. The sitemap is legal. Link should be there. Thank you.